Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Chain Info. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Tex Sobin, ZB1, Zihong Heo, and Onyo's Kyunhee get food thrown at them by fans during China vacation. The ongoing Chuseok holiday season saw many K-pop stars including Sobin, Zihong, Hyo, and Kyunhee seek international trips for some downtime, written by Ayushi Agarwal, journalist, published on 9th October 2025. Private vacation turned into horror for K-pop stars as Tomorrow X Together leader Sobin, Zero Base Ones, Zihong, Hyo, and One us member Kyunhee traveled to China for a trip with their friends. On 8 September, the three were suddenly spotted at the Incheon International Airport by Ssangyong fans who lived there whereabouts soon after landing there were mobbed by hordes of people on their arrival in China. Unaware of the situation, the three singers were caught off guard and had to deal with the mess on their own without the security of any bodyguards. Many even stopped them to their hotel and threw phones at them. Sobin fights back against youth fans in China. After getting some days off from their busy schedules, the fan group comprising Sobin, Zihong, Hyo, and Kyunhee headed off to China to rest a little away from the following eyes and lenses in South Korea. However, their location was leaked to many, which resulted in them being followed around and even being swarmed at the airport. The three who were unprepared for the masses flocking around them were surprised and tried their best to avoid them walking through tens of fans. They had no bodyguards with them as it was a private schedule meant to be enjoyed with friends. Eventually, they managed to get some security who joined them at the hotel, letting them walk into an elevator by blocking others. The three singers entered one by one, but they were treated rudely as a fan threw their food at them. Shocked by it, the bodyguards waved their hands no and then tried to stop any more such instances. Sobin, who seemed taken aback, took hold of the phone laying in front of them and threw it back with force. Another phone came flying back in, it was thrown back out, and the surprised face of the person was seen in clips shared by onlookers. Authority texts Sobin wonders if he can sell BTS. J-Hope older singer calls himself Pride of Jewonjo. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.